Suppose I want to combine two courses into one, so I only have to post my content one time. Here's my two Basalto 3 courses. I've got a Section 1, I've got a Section 2. I want to put all the students from Section 2 into the Section 1 course, so I only have to load stuff into the O1 course. Here's what you do. Go into the O2 course, go into Edit Settings, where it says Visible, change that to Hide. Save. So now when I go back to my home, the O2 course is grayed out, which means it totally disappears for the students. They won't see it at all. Now we're going to go into the 001 section, and we're going to go into Users, Enrollment Methods, and we're going to add a course meta link. Doesn't that sound fancy? It's going to give me a list of all of the courses of which I am the teacher, and I want to go find the 002 section. Remember, that's the one I hid. It has my extra students in it. Add that method. And now anybody who was enrolled in section 002 is now going to be enrolled in section 001. If I'm concerned, I can ask Moodle admin to change the name of the course to 001/002, but usually I can deal with that. Okay, to make my marking life easier, I might want to have the ability to look at the two separate groups within my gradebook. So now they're all mixed together. Basically, the even numbered guys, Basalt 02, 04, 06, were in the 001 section. The odd numbered guys, 5, 7, 9, 11, were in the 002 section, but they're all intermixed here. So what do? You go back to the course level, you go into Users, Groups, and I'm going to create a group for each class. So I'm going to create a group called Section 001. Save that. I'm going to create a group called Section 002. Going to save that. Now in my section 001, I'm going to put all the guys who were originally in section 001. You might have to look this up in my Okanagan. I can just do it from here because it's just anybody with an even numbered last name. Add. That's my 001 group. Back to groups. Now to edit my 002 group, fortunately, I can just select all the guys who aren't in a group because they show a 0 beside their name. I'm the teacher, I don't need to be in a group. There we go. Back to groups. Okay, so now in my grade book, let's see if this works. And I turn editing on, and I should be able to... Oh, I forgot a step. In edit settings for the course, expand all these things and go find the thing that I forgot. Where it says groups, I have to have a group mode. I like visible groups. That means they can see each other's stuff, like discussions or things. Okay, let's do that step. Now see if this actually works. Grades. Ah, there we go. So I can look at all my guys who are in section 1. And I can give them grades, and then I can go look at all my guys who were in the original section 2, and I can give them grades. So that is combining classes using a course meta link, and then setting up groups so they're separate. And my poor guys in 0, I can see it because it's grayed out for me. They don't see it at all. But I don't have to put anything in this course because all the students are in the 001 section. Beautiful.